Good morning, Cindy Berkland here with cindyberkland.com. And today we're going to be touching more about the naked truth of all about life insurance. And we're going on every day a new segment about the different types of life insurance. And today we're going to talk about indexed universal life insurance, which is actually my very favorite. And I want to go into why it's my favorite and what that's all about. We talked about earlier this week, the first question you should ask is, how much life insurance do I need? And the answer to that is, whatever you make, whatever your income is, it needs to be 8 to 10 times that amount. Well, when you're dealing with cash value life insurance, it can get very expensive. So we talked a little bit about term and why term, because it's inexpensive. But then there's cash value life insurance policies like whole life and index universal life. Why would you use index universal life? Well, this is my favorite. Whole life insurance, when we talked about that last week, the interest rates that you get on whole life insurance are not very much, sometimes anywhere from 1% to 4%. So your money's not going to grow the way you would want it to. With an index universal life insurance policy, those plans are in the stock market through the S&P 500. But because they have a floor and a ceiling, if the stock market goes down, your money's never going down. You're still getting maybe a 0.25% interest on your money, even if the stock market is a negative 20%. If the stock market is up at 30%, maybe your cap or ceiling is at 15 or 16%. So what's happening is you're getting to compound your interest at probably an average rate of 8 to 12%. With the way the markets have been, hey, that's not too shabby when you're not needing to ever worry about having risk. So the extra money that's going into your life insurance policy, you're paying for life insurance, right? But then the extra money that goes in there is going into your cash, growing in a tax-free environment at a very great interest rate. How would you like to be averaging right now 8 to 10%? We need something like that to stay ahead of inflation. Inflation is at an all-time high. And why would you be wanting to pay taxes on an investment on top when it's not even staying ahead of inflation? So I love the index universal life insurance because it's cash value that you're growing at a great interest rate, tax-free, and not to mention you have a death benefit and critical illness riders if you came down with cancer, heart attack, stroke. It is the most fascinating product out there. The fact that it's legal just blows my mind every day. When I have somebody that qualifies for index universal life insurance, that is the first thing I try to gear them towards because it's got so many bells and whistles. For one price, you get so many things. It sounds like the Ginsu knives kind of thing, but I'm telling you, it's real, it works. And if you qualify for it, it's something you need to have in your arsenal of products. So if this conversation interests you, get a hold of me at cindyberkland.com and let's chat about it. Cindy Berkland here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. And if you want more content, just need you to click right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, clicking right here. If any of these conversations have interested you, please get a hold of us at cindyberkland.com, or you can reach me at cindyberkland@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching.